A whole new face.
A magic face you never knew.
Are we really doing this?
We're doing this!
Oh my god!
Yeah! I finally get to do your slay cup.
I have to be honest, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, the first thing I ever told my mom was that I asked her why I wasn't a girl. It's like one of the first things I ever said. Fully formed questions / sentences.
Your inner essence is like a girl.
I know, but you see that, and that's why I love you so much and why I wanted you to do my makeup.
I'm gonna help you see that inner beauty today by bringing your inner beauty to your
Slay.
outer facade.
Yeah.
What do you want on your face today? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing like the OT sleigh. It's like a light pink glittery sequin top. It's sort of like a ballerina. Yeah.
Glowy goddess pinks.
Yes.
Light colors.
Yes.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Let's do it. We already washed and moisturized your face. A very important step to make sure you have an even application. Primer.
This reminds me of being in plays.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video.
Kaylie would never let animals be hurt in the making of her look.
So now I'm gonna use some BB cream for a foundation.
I'm just staring at your face.
Whenever you get your makeup done, it's like, what do you look at? You look at the person's face,
I don't know.
You look in space. So now I'm gonna go in with some Tarte Shape Tape.
Shape tape?
It's a concealer.
My big inspiration is like Gigi Gorgeous looks.
I love her.
She just looks like a girl instead of do drag makeup.
I'm just doing my makeup on you the way I do mine.
Say
I'm gonna make you a vampire.
Say it.
Vampire. I'm bronzing you back to life. Wait for it.
Okay. I just want to make sure this is rolling, so hold on.
I got the Q-tips.
Second. Oh, sorry. I was just checking the shot. This is what happens when you do everything yourself, which I still encourage.
I'm gonna faint.
I picked up every piece and let it on my...
Quiet on set.
I don't know if I'm cut out for the makeup life. I'm too noisy.
You're too extra.
I can't shut up. Carving doesn't hurt as bad as I thought it would.
We're gonna give you some girlish brows. They look higher and more curved.
I'm Russian Katy.
Quiet on set.
Oh, you carved it. It looks like I have an extreme attitude without moving my face. Resting judgment face.
Gonna do the blush on my baby. Oh, you're such a pretty girl.
Thank you, says Kaylie, who is now possessing my body.
I'm gonna add some concealer to your upper lip to give the illusion that there's like more light here.
Oh, like a Cupid's bow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at those lips, honey.
So you go a little outside the line to give them a little plumpness.
Yes, they look so plump.
I'm a real girl. It's like the
girl.
reverse of Pocahontas. Pinocchio.
Let's see your eyes.
Can they be like sparkly pink?
Yes. You know what would be really pretty to do too? Do this on your under eye.
Oh yeah.
Like cotton candy.
Because it's also boy and girl color. Boy's blue, girl is pink. So we're fusing them. Oh my slavey. A whole new face.
A magic face you never knew.
Unbelievable highlight. Indescribable tealing.
Over under the brow bone where I take that concealer.
Kaylee's breasts are growing in size. They're now a B.
I've always just loved makeup ever since I was a kid. I was always in like showbiz, musical theater, dance,
Yeah.
cheerleading, so I always just had to do my makeup. I love being glamorous.
I think a lot of people see beauty as being vain, but it doesn't necessarily have to be. If that's part of your soul and you're expressing your soul, then I think it's something really important. If you feel prismatic inside, like, you should look like it.
I'm gonna add glitter, like more glitter.
Brad Etter approves this motion.
Have you ever used one of these before?
What's that? It looks painful. I'm kidding, I know what
A
it is.
medieval torturing device? I don't know how to do this to another person. Maybe I'll skip this step.
No, don't. You can hurt me, it's fine.
Okay, can you feel this?
Oh no, that's fine.
You have like such long lashes.
I'm telling you, I was born a girl with the wrong genitalia.
I really believe that you are a girl.
I am a girl, and you're the only one who knows that. So you're doing blue?
And I need some blue under your eyes. Sex kitten.
Sex kitten. Okay, you're actually a kitten.
Are you okay?
I hold my breath every time you come near me. I'm like,
So you agree?
you think you're really pretty? Love your bracelet. Where'd you get it? What you made me do?
Right on set?
Like, I'm just saying, every time you go, ooh, how am I not supposed to break out into look what you made me do?
Look at that!
Yeah? I do want to cry, but I won't because I don't want to ruin your artwork.
Who you are is beautiful, and I see you for who you are.
And that's why I love
Boy, girl,
you.
it doesn't matter. You're just you.
I love you so much.
Let's put that wig on you. Yeah!
I
do you think?
have no words at this time. I'm absolutely speechless. Actually, no, I have a ton of things to say. I love you so much. You did something so special for me today. I'll be honest, I was really afraid to like see myself as a girl, and it felt like meeting a really good friend of mine that I haven't been able to meet my whole life.
This has become so much more meaningful than we even intended. I thought this was just gonna be like, I'm doing your makeup, and it was just gonna be like a fun surface level thing, but it really is a spiritual thing for you.
It is.
Becoming your inner essence on the outside.
Exactly. I really do feel like a girl a lot. And I do feel like a boy a lot. So it just depends on kind of what I want to do. Mark my words, when I learn makeup, and this will be in the coming weeks, I'm going to do a look on you.
He's gonna
and you're
slay
gonna
my
love it.
face.
Love you. Thank you for
Thanks for
partaking
watching.
in this journey.
Love you. Keep following our adventures. Mwah, and slay.
Slay. I'm a Barbie girl.
In a plastic
Barbie
world,
world.
imagination,
Life is your creation. Brush that hair, girl, till
Practice
it's like
my
corn
creation.
silk.